Hello guys, I haven't had a chance to do a room tour yet. I am on deck 9, 9406 on the Allure of the Seas, and my monster station is A1, which is at the spa, and it's at the front, A1, sorry, at the spa, and it's at the front of the ship on deck 6. As you come in the room, they have the bathroom right here, which we would go into in a minute. And then they have the control for the AC, and the master switches are here. All the switches are located here. You don't need a card to have the lights on. Have a beautiful full-length mirror, which is great. They have a lot of storage in this interior cabin, which is some shelves right here. We have things in here because, like I said, I haven't had time to do room tour yet. Have some down here. We have the vanity area. Hello guys. We have a nice size TV which comes out, you know, facing the bed. We have some nice drawers right here. I'm not gonna go into everything, but you know, we have them here. One down there too as well. Refrigerator, nicely stocked with good things. And it took until like the ship to sail for it to get cold, cool, not cold, cool. You know, then a little shelving up here. We have some things stored up here. It's 2 of us in here, me and another good friend of mine. So we have our beds separated, which I like, and one table in the middle with the phone. There is nothing USB. There is a switch behind here that can turn things off. There's also a lovely night light on each side of the bed, which you can see, which is great. Switch that off. Lovely towel animal for today. We are at sea. This is sea day 2. Little sign that I put up there. Art on display, and it also has like the light shining down on the art, which I think I like that. Here it is as well on this side. And a little something on the wall here. And also there's another night light or reading light over there. We have a nice size sofa. We have a table. You know, these are clothes, you know, in the safe, which is, you know, it can fit, you know, like a passport or something like that, you know, and a couple of other things. That's all it can really fit. Okay, some lovely things with these hangers here, which, hooks, I mean, which I really, really like. We're going to go in the restroom, just a regular restroom, you know, shower with the doors closing. Here, and then also here, you know, nice size shower. It's not too bad. Some hooks inside, which is great. They also have some hooks over here, which is great. They also have hooks behind the door, which is great. Have a lot of hooks in here. You know, just a standard restroom. There are some shelves, not much. Like this little drawer right here. I think it's neat. You know, have a trash can in here as well, but like I said, it's just a standard in the restroom. I like that there's doors and not a curtain rod there in the shower. But that's it. Just a nice little room. 9406, deck 9 on the Allure of the Seas.